What is Bitcoin? Here's the scoop on Bitcoin. It's the first cryptocurrency that we know of, launched in 2009 by a mysterious person called Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was the first direct payment method that didn't rely on a third party and the first application of blockchain technology in the financial system. It developed into one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world, with some considering it to be the gold of cryptocurrencies. Although it's used as currency, Bitcoin is also a popular investment asset because it can be viewed as a non-correlated asset to traditional markets, like stocks and bonds, and has a finite supply of 21 million, unlike traditional currencies that can be printed at any time. Even so, high fluctuations remain a challenge for cryptocurrencies. Although it bounced back stronger every time, Bitcoin has collapsed 3 times so far for reasons that can occur with any rapidly emerging technology, including global economic events that would affect all markets.